Good morning, children. I am Deepak Kumar, your teacher. And children, today we will recite the poem How Creatures Move. Children, do you know the meaning of the word creature? Yes, children. Creatures mean a living thing such as an animal or a bird or an insect. But children, we don't use the word creature for plants. Why? Because they don't move. So children, so children, today we also will also know about some creatures and how they move. So children, firstly lion. So children, do have you seen the picture or have you seen a lion? Yes, many of you may have seen this animal in zoo or in some other places, children. So the lion moves through its paws. So you can see, children, in the picture, and this paw is padded. Padded means something very soft. Next, children, can you identify this creature, children? Okay, children, it's a squirrel. 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 What do we say in Hindi, children? Yes, इसे हम गिलहरी कहते हैं. Very good, children. And next is, it's a fly. And if there are many, then we will use the word flies. 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 Okay, children? And next is, children, it is a seal. 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 So children, can you identify this creature, children? Yes, these are worms. WORM. Worm. Worm or earthworm. Okay, children. Now, many of you have seen on your roofs, children. Yes, children. This is the picture of a monkey. 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 Yes, children. And these are birds. 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 So children, you know about bird and how they move. Yes, children. Sometimes they hop, children, and sometimes they fly, and they sail also, children, in the sky. And next, yes, children, and these are you all. These are children. CHILDREN. Children means many child, and for one we will use the word child. 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 Child means one, and children means more than one child. Okay, children. So today we will recite the poem How Creatures Move, and through this poem you will come to know how some creatures move. Let's start, children. How creatures move. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel sleeps from limb to limb. While flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seal can dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around. The monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. Yes, children. So, there are some new words for you all also, children. As I say earlier, padded paws. Paws, you know. Yes, children. Paws means the foot of animals. And padded means to fill something with soft material. To make it soft. So, the lion has padded paws. And limb, children. Limb means an arm or a leg. Means part of the organ of our body. Then, children, crawl means to walk slowly using hands and knees. Sometimes we crawl also, children, like snakes or lizards and some other creatures. And children, diving means to jump into the water. Children, wiggles. Wiggles means to move from up and down or from side to side. If you have seen worms, then you see it moves here and there, and sometimes it goes into the earth, then it comes out of it. Okay, children. Hopping means, children, to jump. Hopping means to jump, but to jump forward. Okay, children. And children, leap means to jump high or a long way. इसे हम हिंदी में कहेंगे ऊंची या लंबी छलांग. Dance, you know, children. Sometimes you dance in the class also, at home also, children. So once again, let's recite the poem How Creatures Move. The lion walks up on padded paws, the squirrel slips from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. The worms he waggles all around, the monkey swings by his tail, and birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. So, children, if you have seen the lion, they walk very silently. If they move, you can't hear any sound. Why? Because they have padded paws. And the squirrel, they leaps. Okay, children? Means they jump from their limbs. Okay, children. Now, children, I hope that you all have seen flies. So sometimes they crawl. And if they are on a wall, they crawl straight up. And they move here and there. And sometimes they start flying. And children, seals are the animals which are found in cold regions. So, children, they can dive and they swim and they enjoy it. And they can live easily in the low temperature, very low temperature, where we can't live or survive, children. And worm, if you have seen the worm, they wiggles, they move here and there, children. And you have seen monkeys on your roof. So children, you have seen monkeys moving on your roofs. So they usually live on trees, and they swing. They swing by their tail. Tail, you know, children, the part at the end of the body of an animal or birds. And children, birds, they usually hops. So they hop around the ground, upon the ground, children. Or sometimes they spread their wings and they start sailing. So what type of scene they enjoy, everyone, children? They enjoy. And you all, boys and girls, you have much more fun. How, children? You all leap, and then, children, you all dance. Sometimes you walk and sometimes you run. So this way, children, the creatures move and they enjoy. So children, there are some new words in this poem. So everyone, read aloud these words. Padded, limb, crawl, dive, wiggles. So children, new words with meanings. Padded means to fill something with a soft material, to make it soft. What do we say in Hindi? Gaddedar. Limb. Limb means an arm or a leg. अंग, हिंदी में हम इसे अंग कहते हैं. Crawl, to walk slowly using hands and knees. To walk slowly using hands and knees. रेंगना, हिंदी में हम इसे रेंगना कहते हैं. Dive means to jump into the water. गोता लगाना. And wiggles, to move from up and down or from side to side. So children, I hope you all have understood. Now children, we move to exercise. Firstly, reading is fun. So question 1, children, underline all the action words in the poem. So children, to know the action words means the words which shows some actions like run, dance, move, play, eat, and many more. So children, what we have to do? We have to underline the action words in the poem. So everyone, the lion walks on, padded paws, walks. It's an action word. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, leaps. It's an action word. While flies can crawl straight up a wall. Crawl, action word. And seals can dive and swim are action words. Okay, children? The worm, he wiggles all around, wiggles. It's an action word. The monkey swings. It's also an action word. Hop. And birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. Spread and sail. Both are action words. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance. So leap and dance, both are action words. And walk and run, so walk and run, both are action words. So children, you all, I hope that you all have underlined these words uh, in your book. And today you all have known many action words. Now children, let's write. So question 1, match the words in column A with those in column B. So children, its answer you can match. Lions walk, squirrels leap, flies crawl, seals dive, worms wiggle, monkeys swing, birds hop. Okay children. Now question 2. What we have to do? Make sentences of your own using the matching words. So what we have to do? We have to make some sentences as example, the seals dive into the icy water. So likewise, we'll make some sentences. The lions walk in the forest fearlessly. The squirrels leap around in the mango tree. The flies crawl on the kitchen wall. The worms wiggle on moist soil. The monkeys swing from one tree to another. The birds hop on the garden. Now what we have to do? Next question is children. Arrange these movement words from slow to fast. Run, walk, hop or crawl. So children, some words shows that we do slowly and some word shows that we do it fastly. So firstly children, crawl. Then children, walk. Then children, hop. And in last, run. Okay children? Now underline the letters which are silent in the following words. You know about silent letters children? Silent letters are the letters in a word which are silent while we pronounce these words. Like walk. The spelling is W-A-L-K. So we don't pronounce the letter L. So that's why L, walk. L is a silent letter. Likewise straight, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. In this GH, underline GH in straight. Then E in more, M-O-R-E, E, underline E. In caught, again GH. Then calm, L, C-A-L-M, L. Then talk, T-L-K, talk, L, talk. Okay children? So that's all for today children. I'm very thankful to all of you that you all have listened me carefully children. I have downloaded these pictures from internet children. So I am thankful to the persons who have shared these pictures on internet. That's all for today children. Thank you.